Then I'll do eggs. I'm on there, let them continue there. I'll do sausages right here.
You sure?
Yeah, we'll go with it. Ready? We'll do it live!
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the set. This is CJ's first cooking show. I am CJ, and this is the show. Right behind this camera is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. We're gonna have some fun today. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe because you do not want to miss any of this in the future. But since you're here, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a really cool breakfast sandwich hack using cinnamon rolls, Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, as your top and bottom bun.
Sounds healthy.
What? Yeah! Yeah! Let us bring it because I'm about to bring it. Why don't you ever drink with us?
I did it like 1 or 2 times before.
Huh. There we go. All right.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
So,
Breakfast.
first things first, with our breakfast.
You can do better.
Oh! All right, we're gonna get going with this. You guys have all used these before.
Show me the label again.
What? Oh, the label.
You don't make your own.
Woohoo!
And Pillsbury says it best.
You got Ethan on that one.
Oh, I got him. I got him good.
He lost him good.
I've seen people do this online.
Whoa!
It's loaded.
Okay,
let's regroup. We're all back. We're good. We're good.
We're
Ethan's
good.
finally on
Finally
track.
part of the show. Okay.
Welcome back, Ethan.
This is where the hack all starts to come into play. So I've got my Blackstone warming up on low. All right, let's go down with our pre-popped cinnamon rolls. So we're gonna go ahead and start giving these a smash. Yep, and then you get the smash, and then you just pop it off right there.
A 2 spatula deal.
It is definitely a 2 spatula deal.
Essentially, we're creating our bun.
Yes. Once these start toasting on one side, we're gonna flip them over. This does not take long. Once you get another toast on the other side, then we're gonna pull them off and use our Blackstone cooling rack. This is important because we want them to finish cooking over the indirect heat. That way we don't have a burnt piece of cinnamon roll. Let's ring it.
All right.
Whoa. While that's happening, let's get to the sauce. Yeah, there's a special sauce with this,
Sauce
dude.
me Seymour. I said it the other day.
Alright, so special sauce for a sandwich is always happening, but I rarely have a special sauce for a breakfast sandwich. And waste not, my friend.
Waste not, want not.
Once we add this cinnamon sugar, you know, it honestly, it could be enough, right? This could be great. But I was thinking to myself, let's heat it up a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit of Frank's in here. Let's let that take care of itself over there and get to the sausages. Now, today we are using the pre-cut, pre-disked,
Johnsonville. Soft J.
Yogging, it might be a soft J.
I'm gonna crank up my heat that was right here on low. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down.
More smashing?
There is a time and a place for everything in life, right?
Yeah.
And there's a time and a place
For smashing.
for the smashing.
And that time and place is here.
And the time and
What
place.
better place than here? What better time than now?
Once these go down right away, they're not done, but we're gonna go ahead and flip them. Here's why. I want this.
Yep.
Because once that happens, then we can smash our sausage without having everything get overly stuck to my spatula.
That's a pro move. I've seen you do it a few times.
And it is a really, really convenient way to do this.
I don't like the way it looks, but it's fine.
But dude, it's honestly, it's a convenience thing.
And it's stuck.
Oh! Look at that! Look at the brains on bread!
Check out the big brain on bread.
I think we're gonna let these finish cooking. We'll flip them. We'll get them nice and toasty and crispy on each side, and then we'll set those aside and get ready for some cheese on those bad boys. 2 minutes.
Turkish.
When we get back, we're starting on the eggs.
Fine.
It is time for eggs, my friends. We're gonna be using our awesome Blackstone silicone egg rings. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right, I'm gonna bring.
I love watching this.
Shut up.
I have the utmost confidence.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Bro,
get out of here, kid. You bother me.
There you go, son. Now get out of here. You bother me.
All right, we're going with this one right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Victory!
Victory! Baby. There we go.
Cause 3 out of 3.
Hey,
2 out of 3. Baby.
Can we? Yes. Because in Project Blackstone, we all have a name.
His name?
It was Robert Paulson.
Paulson.
Name is Robert Paulson.
Cheers to Robert. I'm gonna break my yolk because I don't love a heavy runny yolk, and I'm gonna add in some fully cooked eggs with some delicious jalapenos.
You couldn't have diced those yourself?
Dude, it's just convenience. All right? Why do you gotta waste my flavor, yo?
Why you gotta waste my flavor?
Sauce, as you pointed out, is done. I'm actually gonna just pull this. I'm gonna set this over here
Okay.
on our little metal table, right? Set that right there. That
Little
way
black?
nobody's hands get burned. That way we don't sleep with our head in the mud.
This way we don't have to sleep with our heads in the mud.
Stack.
Hey, there you go.
Oh, thanks, guy. Look at you. By the time these eggs are done, here in just a sec,
Cheese will be melted.
cheese will be melted. It's time
Cinnamon
to,
buns will be done.
We're
Look
done.
it.
Let's,
Look it.
Let's go ring it and bring it. We'll be back in 30 seconds.
Okay. Look it.
Look.
It. Oh, beauty.
Actually, I don't know if I need a switchboard. But bro, look at how perfect that is.
Mock. Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah. Bird. Yeah.
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 Mockingbird down.
Everybody, have you heard?
Have you heard?
Alright, so we're gonna go 1 egg right here. Look at this skirt, dude.
Skirt.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. Man,
Spicy, sweet glaze.
mixing it up. That way the viscosity turns with the specs on the inline rotary girder.
Checking the specs on the end line for the rotary girder.
Oh, yes.
Butter. This is the way to start your day before you take a shower.
Oh, jeez. Let's top it. Topper?
Topper.
Topper?
Topper.
Alright, these are dense. Some might say if they were floating in the air, they might be lead-based, like a lead zeppelin.
Hey CJ, did you know? That Jimmy Page actually didn't want anyone else to take credit for the sound of Led Zeppelin, so he produced all of the albums and hired a new engineer for each album.
He just didn't want the same sound for every...
No, he didn't want anybody else to take credit for the Zeppelin sound.
Alright, I'll ring it to that. Interesting fact.
Surprised you know that.
Which I did not know. Here we go. Yeah.
Are you going with more sugar?
Yeah. I like to just call it special sauce.
Okay.
So, dude,
Sugar.
and it's had a little time to sit and
Spicy icing? Spicing.
spicing. Sweet, heat, eggs, jalapenos. Yeah! Eat your heart out, McDonald's. I could use actually more heat. There we go. If you make this, which you should, double up on the franks. Let the sauce have more time to sit. And what's
Is this
the word?
breakfast? Because the word's gut bomb.
It's a cinnamon roll. And we eat
delicious.
sausage.
Is it really good?
We like eggs.
Less sugar?
It's all awesome.
Yeah, it's up.
All right. Let me know if it's over the top. Oh, the hat went backwards. Tell me in the comments down below. What do you think? Too much heat, too much sweet? But in the meantime, we're gonna change it up now.
Are we?
It's CJ's top 10 favorite comments on Nate's show
Okay.
from
No.
my show of the week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Challenge was to go to Nate's show that aired the next day and leave their favorite thing about my show on
Yeah.
Nate's.
Hilarious.
So fun, in fact, that I couldn't just pick one to talk about. So we had a top 10.
You're going through the top. Well, can I put some in there?
All right. Well, then we'll get to the end and we'll see whose is the best.
All right.
Starting from the top in no particular order. This comes from Jack Cutler Jr. My favorite thing about these videos are the movie wait, that's not it. Oh yeah, it's the ring it and bring. Nope. That's not it either. Oh yeah, CJ's favorite comments of the... Wait, what? Not these videos either? I gotta go. Basically, your show
Rude.
Your show sucks.
Basically,
your show
rude.
sucks. Quick ring. There we go.
For what?
We're gonna ring and bring it all at the end. We're cruising through this. The next one. This comes from Oklahoma Longhorn. After watching the Snickerdoodle French toast, I could only think, dude, you and I have witnessed many things, but nothing as bodacious as what just happened.
It's pretty good.
Bill and Ted. The toast idea is amazing, and I may even try this smoked salmon stuff.
Well,
This comes from Slick Vic. I love all the cutouts to the movie scenes. The show, it's very entertaining. Are you not entertained yet? That's a good one. Love both shows. Keep it up, guys.
okay,
All right,
see?
a little bit of honor.
We're moving in the right direction.
This next one comes from Travis Beach.
Hey, Travis.
We're gonna call you Miami.
From now on, I dub thee Miami Beach.
I like the comments of the week on CJ's show the best. I like it a lot.
He
And
put that in the comment?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm serious, and don't call me Shirley.
Dang.
Can you name all the movies from the quotes from my post? Bueller, Bueller, Bueller. If I win, can
Dumb
you
and
send
Dumber,
me...
Airplane, Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
If I win, can you send me a double extra chubby 2XL shirt? Otherwise, I'll be a fat guy in a little
Tommy boy.
coat. P.S. Chef Nate, another killer recipe.
Okay, see? He's trying to... Okay, Travis.
Alexander Alexander. That's what I'm going to call you Alex.
The Great Zambino.
The Great Bambino!
Nate, if you're not CJ's first cooking show, you're last. Shake and bake.
No, it's not.
This comes from Jim Storts. Nate, number 1, you have definitely elevated your game.
Oh, thanks.
B, clearly you have
Wait, what?
learnt a thing or two from CJ.
Nope.
4,
Erroneous on both.
it needs a post-dusting of everything bagel seasoning.
Ooh, good idea.
Keep up the glorious work and
Thank
say
you.
hi to Chef CJ for me.
Ooh, wrong word.
Say hi to me.
I don't know any Chef CJ.
Hey, Chef CJ.
Oh,
What's up,
no,
G?
Ethan?
This comes from R. Blaine 82.
Here we go. Here we go.
I feel like Nate's show is like the movie Speed.
Okay, good
And
movie.
it's a great one. And CJ's show is like Point Break.
Good one also.
Same character, but although Speed is a good idea, it just drags on and never really satisfies.
Not true.
Point Break, on the other hand, is action-packed, sprinkled with comedy, and is immediate cult classic. You know my address. UPS ground shipping is okay.
I kind of think both movies are equally awesome.
Steve, I'm just gonna call you Steve. Got a wallet. Nate needs to bring back his Today Show hair.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. That's a deep,
Wow.
That's a deep dig.
Phil Knight says, quote, "It sucks, CJ Frazier."
Yeah. CJ Frazier sucks? I wouldn't say that. That's harsh.
All right, so we've got top 10, right? 1 has to be the winner.
Yeah, I know which one it is.
Well, one's yours?
You didn't read it.
Oh, did I not?
Nope.
Well,
There he is.
here's the one Nate liked. This comes actually from somebody that I really freaking love watching my show.
Yeah, my show.
Megan, my favorite part of CJ's show is his skills. Nate doesn't even have any good skills.
Yeah.
You know, like nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills. Girls only like guys who have great skills.
It's classy.
It's pretty classy.
It's my bag.
We'll ring that one too.
I'm going to send her one of my shirts. You know what? She's
Oh,
gonna be
that's
in
your
the
favorite.
contest.
So, Megan, I'm sorry.
Megan, I'm sending you one of my shirts.
You know what, Megan? We're going to send you one of Nate's and one
No,
of my
we're not.
shirts.
No,
yes,
we're not.
we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. We definitely can triple stamp and double stamp.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp.
Ethan, you have a favorite?
Yeah, mine was actually the first one.
Oh, so yours was from Jack Cutler.
Yep.
All right.
I am Jack's total lack of surprise.
I am Jack's complete lack of surprise.
So I'm going to have to say that mine was R. Blaine 82. So we got 3.
Is this like Highlander rules? There can be only one?
There can be only one.
We're going to hand out 3 shirts. Megan, I think you're getting 2 shirts. R. Blaine 82 and Jack Cutler, 3 get the shirts. We got a whole bunch of honorable mentions. let's call that a day, shall we? Go check out Betty's show. Definitely leave a comment on hers and Todd's, on Bruce's, on Destination Delicious's. Is it Delicious's? Delicious.
Also,
we are finished.
Look how empty your OGB is. If
Also,
you want to be represented on the OGB.
Yeah, send me a sticker. Send me something cool to put up there. Thanks
That's
so
it.
much for hanging out. We will see you guys in the next episode.
Cheers.
Peace.
Peace.